Hello guys, welcome back. Today, don't want to put it off any longer. Going to start looking at the floors. Now, yeah, obviously I've got the initial fear, having not done anything like this or cut out as big sections like this before, but I'm going to take, is it Randy from Lone Star's word for it, that those initial fears apparently should fade away quite quickly. So yeah, we're going to get stuck in. I haven't decided exactly what we're doing, but you can probably see I've got total sort of half floors apart from the tunnel, and in theory they come all the way up to about there, about that line there, but I don't know whether I'm going to go all that way or whether I'm just going to come to this rib. On that side I'd have to remove this cable guard, which I may or may not want to do. At the back, or the back 2/3, there's not really any damage past, well, even past this rib here really, but at the front there is damage here. On that side it goes all the way up pretty much to the tunnel, so I don't know if we'll do full width at the front and then step in and then come across maybe this rib, or whether we'll just go all the way. I'm not sure, but the first thing I want to do is I'm going to do this side first, because this quarter panel's not coming off. I'll have more opportunity to adjust things on that side without the quarter panel, so I'm going to do this side first. The first thing we're going to do is remove around these spot welds for the companion bin and disconnect from the doorstep from here to here, where it hasn't been replaced, and disconnect from the sort of closing panel. That panel there needs to come off of the inner sill, so we'll do that as well. So there and there and there. So that's going to be step one on this side, and then step two will be heel board, drilling and cutting away at the front here. Don't know exactly what we'll do, because obviously we're planning on having a new bulkhead, but I want to keep the location of the old bulkhead. So yeah, it's going to take a lot of time to do the floors, so what I might do is do some floor and then do something else and then do some more floor, or at least in the videos that I put out, it might jump back and forth from the floor. We'll see, but for now I'm going to cut away here, and then I'll come back and show you where we've got to. Bin comes along here and down here. The tag is on the inside along here and on the inside on here, but then when it goes down there the tag is on the outside, so it's the bin and then it folds this way, whereas up here it's the bin and then it folds this way. So yeah, these spot welds are that side, and these spot welds are that side. Quick update on this bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they all drilled out all right. You can see that's what it looks like when it's drilled out. And this bit here, that one there didn't drill out, and I've actually, I don't know if you can see in there, we've just torn the bin very slightly. Oh, not a problem really. There's actually not that much corrosion here. This bin doesn't need a repair. I think the one on the other side will. So maybe you can see here that this is tucked in. I need to repair there where I just caught it before. This is tucked in towards the outside of the car, all along here, and then towards the back of the car. Bit of filler there. Towards the back of the car here, but then on that section there, it actually tucks towards the front of the car. So, you see in there? So there are some spot welds behind here, and actually I think they're probably behind that plate as well. I think I'll spin the car over and have a look in there. Right, speak to you in a bit. This is the fold in of the bin towards the front of the car. So this section here that I was talking about. Just found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spot welds there. What we can do is we use those to plug weld onto the, because I won't get my spot weld around there, so we use those to plug weld onto the new panel. So that was done from the inside, so we'll just go straight through those. Yeah, just get that off. Just gonna get the drill out.